I've been wearing this smartwatch for months and I thought I used it a lot. But when I actually paid attention, I realized I barely use it. And I think a lot of people are doing the same thing without realizing it. So I started paying attention to how I actually use my smartwatch. Not what it can do, but what I actually do with it every day. And that's where things got interesting. So I started noticing how I use this throughout the day. First thing, I check the time. That's it. Yeah, I see notifications here, but I don't reply. I just take out my phone anyway. Steps, heart rate, it's cool, but I don't really act on it. And slowly I realized most of what I can do on this, I could have done faster on my phone. The problem isn't that it's bad, it's the small frictions. I see a text, I want to reply, but I can't. Even basic interactions feel slower. Like bro, this is supposed to save time, but I end up wasting more. And that's when it hit me. This isn't replacing my phone. It's just a shortcut to my phone. Now to be fair, higher-end watches like Apple or Samsung can do way more. You can reply, though you have to be Ant-Man to type on that keyboard. You can use apps, even make calls on LTE ones. But even then, most people still reach for their phones. Because it's just easier. I think people buy smartwatches for the idea that it feels futuristic, quick access, and everything on the wrist. But in real life, we go back to what's comfortable. So yeah, I still wear it. Not because I need it, but because I'm used to it. And I guess it's true for a lot of people. Do you actually use your smartwatch or do you just wear it? Thanks for watching.